Okay, what I did for this week's sprint was I added the legalities into our decks. So let's do a search here for a card. So we're gonna search. We're gonna add evasion, and you look down here and see it's illegal in standard, but legal in modern, legacy, and vintage, and illegal in commander. Now let's add another one. We're gonna add Black Lotus, which is pretty much illegal in everything. Search, and there you go. We see it's been updated, or it's illegal in everything. And that's what I did for the sprint this week.
For this sprint, I've gone and updated the deck builder so that it has some capabilities go and allow the user to price out their deck. We're using a API to go and do this so that the player can have some pricing information that may be available from the site that will allow them to get a better idea of how much the deck will cost so that they can plan around that. So I'll go ahead and just add a card in here. And we'll add another one. We'll go and take one of these in here. We'll get another one of these. And we'll go with one more. So here you can go and see the cards that are currently added into the deck. When you click pricing, it'll actually go and list the price for all the different cards. And we'll even go and list cards down here below that don't have any pricing information on them, which is useful to know since the card may not be available from the seller or they're just may be out of stock. So that can be useful for the player to go and have. So we'll go and see that one added in. And we'll go and add in another one as well. And you can see that in here. These are two separate different cards, but they both have pricing information that may not be available for them, as you can see here. That one's from one set, and this one is from actual different one where they haven't uploaded a picture for it. This is probably one from one of the standard sets. That's all that I've been able to go and do for this sprint, is get that working.
This sprint, I've been working more on the deck analysis part of the app. You still get that the same way. This is a deck I've already created. If you go to deck analysis now, you'll see that we've added in some different charts to allow you to better analyze the deck. This chart shows how many cards of each count of mana exists in the deck, how much they cost. This shows the distribution of the different colors in the deck. And then this shows the different types and the way it's distributed between like land, creature, and things like that. So those are changes that have been made to this section this week.